Hello you guys, so my name is Joshua Cohen, but today we might not able to go, but today we're not going to the clock church today, but today we're going to the St. Luke's church, but today we're going to listen to the church bells at 11 o'clock a.m. in the morning, but today is Saturday. We have 10 minutes. It's 10:50. Yep, it's 10. Time to go to the church bells at 11 o'clock a.m. in the morning. Alright, here we go.
Which way do you want to go?
This way.
Straight?
Yeah, straight. Unless there's something happening. Oh God, there better not be something happening. Today we're about to go to the church bells at 11 o'clock. We have 9 minutes. It's 10:51. Time to go to the church bells at 11 o'clock a.m. in the morning. We recorded a video like 1 minute ago. But do you see that other church bell over here? I can't even see it. I can't see the other church bell. There it is. I see it. Oh, there better not be something happening. We're about to go to the St. Luke's church. And there better not be people in the line. Alright. Oh God, there better not be a funeral happening. Yes, there's no people. Alright, I guess we can go. See you. There's no cars. It's Saturday today. We have 8 minutes. It's 10:52. Never mind. I want to go to the clock one instead.
Are you serious?
Nah, I'm just kidding.
Which one do you want?
I want Luke's one.
Not too loud, please. Pull your pants up.
Alright. But look at that. But I want to get into the grass today. The grass is kind of wet. The grass is wet right now. Okay, gotta go quick. Oh my gosh. Look at that St. Luke's church. But I already saw the other church bell over here. That might be pretty cool. I'll make it normal. 7 minutes. It's 10:53, but oh boy, it's Saturday today. Well, I have center school in 2 days. It's July. It's already July 6th, 2024. I'm tired, but we still have to listen to the church bells. We still 6 minutes. It's 10:54. We have 4 minutes before the bell. Oh boy. I can't wait! Oh boy, it's almost 11 o'clock. We still have 4 minutes. We still have 6 minutes. Still 10:54. It's 10:55. Almost 11 o'clock. Oh boy, it's gonna be 11 o'clock soon. The word says Church of St. Luke's. I'm just gonna right. That church. This one has no clock over here, but there's a clock over here, but there's no clock over here. We still got time. Still 10:55. Oh my God. 4 minutes! It's 10:56. 10:56. We have 4 minutes. Yep. It's already 10:56. Oh my gosh. Man. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. It's 10:50. 4 minutes. It's 10:56. 4 minutes. It's 10:56. I recorded the video like 6 minutes ago. Oh boy, we do it! It's still 10:56. It's gonna be 11 o'clock soon. We still got time. Oh my gosh. 3 minutes! It's 10:57. We have 3 minutes before the bell. Yep, we have 3 minutes before the bell. Oh, it's gonna be 11 o'clock soon. We still have time. Oh boy, it's about to chime soon. We still have 3 minutes. 10:57. It's gonna be 11 o'clock soon. That bell's gonna chime in 2 minutes. That bell's gonna chime in 2 minutes too. Alright. Still go. 2 minutes! It's 10:58. Oh boy. We have 2 minutes before the bell. Almost 11 o'clock! It's gonna chime soon. That bell's gonna chime in 1 minute too, and that bell's gonna chime in 1 minute too. We have over a minute away. Just over a minute away. A minute and... Oh my God. Oh my God. Almost 11 o'clock. Oh my gosh. Those bells are gonna chime in 1 minute. Oh my God. Still 10:58. 1 minute. It's 10:59. Oh my gosh. 1 minute. 1 minute. It's 10:59. Oh my gosh! Wait for the sound. 11 o'clock! Oh my God. 11 o'clock. Oh. Chime like 6 times. 7, 8, 9, Whoa, yeah! 11 o'clock! It was so much fun. Hey, yeah, talk about exciting. Gosh, we should all join us as much as we did. It's 11 o'clock right now. Boy, it's already 11 o'clock. Oh boy. Alright, you guys, have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.